Congratulations on the purchase of your new Maytag washing machine. Let's take a look at how to install it. Here are some of the tools you'll need. A 1 3/4 inch pliers, an adjustable wrench that opens to 14 millimeters, hot and cold water hoses with flat washers, a level, and a utility knife. Start by removing the packaging. To remove all of the packaging, we'll need to tip the machine over. Warning: this is an excessive weight hazard. Use 2 or more people to move and install your washer or dryer. Failure to do so can result in back or other injuries. With the help of a friend, carefully tip the machine onto its back. You can use some of the packaging to make sure you don't get scratchers on the machine. Remove any additional packaging. Tip the machine back into a standing position. Open the lid to find additional materials, including your use and care guide and a drain hose. To start the installation process, remove all 4 shipping bolts at the back of the machine using an adjustable wrench. Remove the power cord from the machine. Use the plastic flap to close the opening. Next, you're going to install the drain hose. Fasten the drain hose in place using your adjustable wrench. Place your drain hose into the standing pipe. Now it's time to connect the water hoses. Make sure your rubber washer is installed before connecting the water hose to the water line. Connect both hot and cold hoses to the water line and then connect them to your machine. Make sure both ends are secure using your adjustable wrench. Now to level your machine. If you find that your machine isn't level, prop it up with a wooden block and make adjustments to the feet. Check again to make sure you're level. Congratulations, you're now ready to use your new Maytag washing machine.